My name is Mark Millson. I'm the Director of Operations at Excellence Auto Collision. We are a Porsche Certified repair facility located in Toronto. Our classic restoration project with Porsche North Toronto has been a great experience for our company. Doing a complete restoration on such a rare car, and bringing that car back to the glory days is something that our staff is really excited about and engaged about. The car will look the day as it rolled off the showroom. Leading up the preparation department was Tracy on the vehicle. Tracy has been with us for several years now, has a great deal of experience with projects like this, and also a really good eye for detail. Because you're painting a complete car, we're dismantling doors, the hoods, deck lids, all of that is removed, and then the car is stripped right down to the bare substrate, and then we build it right back up. The vehicle was completely sanded down, removing stone chips, little parking lot dents, any scratches that were on the vehicle. We longboarded the vehicle down to make sure that the vehicle was straight, that there was no waves from our sanding of the substrate. Then we do our final sand, final clean, and then final mask for painting. The back taping is to prevent any overspray from entering the cabin of the vehicle or getting on any mechanical components. The masking is completed outside of the paint booth, and then the final masking. So you've moved all of the parts in the vehicle, you've moved the body of the vehicle into the paint booth. Now we close off the exteriors, the wheel wells, the back taping of all the doors. We want to have a nice tight seal to the vehicle. So a good masking job, we always say, leads to a cleaner finish. So as soon as Tracy and Teddy are done the final masking, we're gonna seal up the paint booth, get ready for that final top coat to go on, and stay tuned because we're really looking forward to showing you guys a beautiful paint job on this Porsche restoration project.